20 years has passed since the passage of House Bill 592. In those 20 years, Ohio's solid waste and recycling infrastructure has matured due to the development of plan requirements and the establishment of state goals. The next 20 years promise to be innovative and productive with the advent of new technologies and a rebirth of older technologies meeting today's new environmental protection standards. The following slides provide a peek at the future and a best guess where solid waste management will be heading in the next 20 years. In the future, the segregation of waste streams for processing will be more and more important. Biomass, wood waste, and crops and organic materials will become fuels for energy-producing technology. Some of the new technologies on the horizon are anaerobic digestion of organic waste, waste to energy of specific waste streams, alternative landfill management systems, landfill gas to energy, new environmental protection technologies, mining of existing landfills, new methods for recycling materials such as carpeting, pharmaceuticals, and construction and demolition debris. Solid waste will be used as a component for renewable energy projects. Curbside recycling of organic materials such as food waste may become commonplace. Also, separation of wood and other fuel materials for waste to energy projects, and biomass feedstocks from agricultural facilities. Also, animal waste from agribusiness. Using the renewable portions of solid waste materials as sustainable recycling and reuse will become a focus for programming and collection. Organic waste materials are processed to produce methane as a renewable energy resource. Solid waste is sorted to provide fuels for waste-to-energy facilities. Economic incentives cause manufacturers to complete life cycle analysis with the objective of reducing packaging and increasing the recyclability of all products. Green energy, creating fuel from landfill gas, will become a common practice. Organic material digestion produce green energy for the electric grid. Biomass feedstocks produce biofuels. Landfill gas is used to power collection fleets, energy for buildings and equipment. Separating organic materials at the curb become everyday practices. Waste haulers will seek cost efficiencies through automation. Economic incentives, including volume-based systems requiring residents to recycle or pay more at the curb, will become the norm. Volume-based system collection examples are occurring across Ohio. Waste haulers will look to alternative fuels to convert their collection fleets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and costs. New types of waste collection and disposal and foundry sand fall under the solid waste district jurisdiction. Districts will have to cooperatively work with other jurisdictions to establish joint use programs to gain volume efficiencies for new waste reduction and processing facilities. More public-private sector partnerships to invest in infrastructure as new efficient methods of collecting separated materials come online. The Ohio EPA may consider increasing diversion goals.